Welcome to the tutorial room. Select Chapter 6, Measurement and Scaling. Section 6.1, Time Measurement. In this section, your objective is to learn about measuring time. You'll learn about the different units used for time measurement, including seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. We'll also teach you how to convert between the units of time measurement. History. As the evolution of mathematics progressed, ancient cultures were able to use their mathematical skills to further their understanding of calendar making and astronomy. Progress in these two sciences was fueled by the desire to understand the passage of time and the change of the seasons in order to optimize planting and harvesting. Some of the most remarkable achievements in astronomy were found in the Mayan culture in South America. Without the benefits of glass, optical instruments, or devices for measuring time, they were able to record extremely accurate estimates of the movements of the moon, sun, and planets. For example, their estimate of the synodic period, the time period between two successive appearances of Venus, was 584 days, which is just 0.08 days too long. They estimated a solar year to be 365.242 days, while our modern estimate is 365.242198 days. Their estimate for an average lunar month, 29.5302 days, was also extremely accurate even by modern standards. Section. Before we can measure a quantity of something, we need to know what units of measurement will be used. For common measurements of time, length, or weight, there are well-defined and widely accepted units and conversions that you will need to memorize. The two major systems of units throughout the world are the English system and the metric system. In general, the metric system is easier to use since it is a decimal system based on powers of 10. This means conversions between units can often be accomplished by multiplying and dividing by powers of 10, which means simply moving the decimal points to the right or left. To convert 1 year to days. Convert 1 year to hours. To convert 1 year to smaller units, click on each. Convert 1 year to minutes. Convert 1 year to seconds. For measuring time, the metric and English system of units are the same. The units we use for measuring time are as follows. We use the following conversion factors to convert units of time measurement. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 24 hours equals 1 day. 7 days equals 1 week. 365 days equals 1 year. 10 years equals 1 decade. 100 years equals 1 century. It's extremely important to always include the units whenever performing calculations involving measurements. Keeping careful track of units makes calculations easier and prevents errors. There are two ways to convert measurements from one unit to another. 1. Substitution method. A. Express the measurement as the quantity times the units. B. Substitute the desired conversion factor for the unit. C. Perform the indicated arithmetic. 2. Ratio method. A. Express the desired conversion factor as a ratio, equivalent to 1. B. Multiply the original measurement by the ratio. This doesn't change the value of the measurement since it's like multiplying by 1. C. Cancel the units common to the numerator and denominator. D. Perform the indicated arithmetic. Example 6.1.1. Convert 7 minutes to seconds. Substitution method. 7 minutes equals 7 times 1 minute. Express measurement as quantity times units. Equals 7 times 60 seconds. Substitute conversion factor. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Equals 420 seconds. Multiply. Ratio method. Since 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, the ratio 60 seconds to 1 minute equals 1. So multiplying by this ratio is equivalent to multiplying 7 minutes over 1 times 60 seconds over 1 minute. Multiply measurement by conversion factor ratio. Equals 7 over 1 times 60 seconds over 1. Cancel the common units of minute in the numerator and denominator. Equals 7 times 60 seconds over 1 times 1. Multiply. Equals 420 seconds. Example 6.1.2. Convert 240 minutes to hours. Substitution method. 240 minutes equals 240 times 1 minute. Express measurement as quantity times units. Equals 240 times 1 divided by 60 hours. Substitute conversion factor. 1 minute equals 1 divided by 60 hours. Equals 240 over 1 times 1 over 60 hours. Multiply. 4 over 1 times 1 over 1 hour. Simplify. Equals 4 times 1 over 1 times 1 hour equals 4 hours. Ratio method. Since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, the ratio 1 hour divided by 60 minutes equals 1. So multiplying by this ratio is equivalent to multiplying by 1. 240 minutes over 1 times 1 hour over 60 minutes. Multiply measurement by conversion factor ratio. Equals 240 over 1 times 1 hour over 60. Cancel common units of minute in the... Now do some practices. Good job, you're right. Good job, you're right. Excellent job.